byabaye kubera ko undi yavuze ko atari byabaye yaba ari umunyekongo cyangwa undi.
Yeah.
So issue ni iyihe none? Ubwo we Orivier wumvaga ikibazo ari iki? Mwagiye mu mpaka z'iki ko noneho bigenda biba even
Murakoze Your Excellency. Byatangiye kuri issue yo gusemura mu Kinyarwanda kuko bari mu kiganiro nk'abanyamakuru bane uko bagendaga basoma iyo tweet mu Gifaransa bagerageza kuyisemura ariko
bayisemuye banyuranya n'iki specifically. Ndashaka ko tuba specific bikava mu bintu bya rusange gusa. Barabisemuye batanga wrong impression y'ugute n'iki batanze ba distortings muri
nk'urugero nabaha kuri ibyo bya Congo kuba yari hari cyangwa itari hari ku buryo hari ngira ngo Scovia yagezana navuga ngo ariko ngo wenda bashobora kuba bari bahari ariko president atarahari, president wa Congo ariko Congo yari hagarariwe. Kandi njye navuze yuko the chair was empty kandi byari byo. Chair ya DRC nta muntu numwe wari uriho, nta n'abantu bari bariho.
Fine. Kubera ko wavuze akavuga atyo icyo wajyaga kumusubiza ni ukumubwira ngo no actually nta n'umwe wari uhari gusa izindi ntambara zasubizanye.
Nibyo nari navuze muri iyo tweet yuko the chair was empty.
Ariko erega nta muntu wowninga facts cyangwa ukuri ngo iyo yavuze nta ugira icyabaza wabivuze ni nabyo ariko somebody expressinze ko ashaka kumenya ko ibyo ari byo. What is wrong with that?
Ikibazo cyari gihari nuko it was even questioning a fact. It was not even my opinion. It was a fact.
Questioning what? No, it was your opinion much as it was a fact. Kuko niwe wari wabizanye. Your opinion can be a fact much as it may not be a fact. Your opinion is not always a fact. Nobody, this is why I'm telling you, nobody owns the fact. And that's why journalists, as we know it, nubwo mujya mutunenga ahubwo twebwe ntabwo numva ko iyo umuntu yavuze ikintu kubera ko ari minister byanavuzwe ko ari minister, so nobody says anything kubera ko byavuzwe na minister. How? So your exchange is flawed. It's not right. You didn't even, if you really wanted to act even as a minister, you wouldn't have had this exchange like the way you did. Niba ari ukugiye kujya udiringa n'aba journalists, then there is a problem. So byabanje kuba ko ari interpretation ya French ni Kinyarwanda kuko ni nabyo wanditse ni nkaho babubwiraga ko bakwiye kuba bazi Igifaransa kizima kitari icyo so byavuye no kuri substance byagiye muri ibyo ngibyo birimo iki nka minister cyubonamo ni iki none.
It was just to ensure yuko abanyarwanda bahabwa the right information kubyerekeye ibyabaye gusa.
The right information iva mu bibazo bibazwa. If they are asking you and you can substantiate what you are saying, abanyarwanda they are benefiting. Another time actually they may question you and find what you said was not right. Still abanyarwanda will benefit. Because Orivier does not have a monopoly of facts. Do you?
No, I don't, sir.
Hey, so. Why would you behave in exchange as if you own the facts? na Albert wagusapotingaga bimwe uranamubaza akavuga ati nabyibagiwe, ati ntabwo numva mbizi. Ubwo se what is the argument? Muvaneho akajagari mu buzima. You ask what you are. Actually, what concerned me why I raised it, I saw him apologize.